Welcome fellow adventurer and dungeon master to a new edition of Character Concept for You, where I create level 1 characters for you to use as either heroes or NPCs. Feel free to change them in any way you like or create your own hero with the build you see before you. My name is Model 42 and today I want to tell you about Brielle, a noble hunter, and her trusty animal companion Clenche, the only remnant of her deceased husband. This is a new and more focused version of my hopefully inspirational videos. At the end of the video I flash in all pages of my character sheet sideways one after the other so you can get the character sheet easy and for free via screenshots. If you want the PDF version, just follow the description. And now, let's dive right in. Lady Brielle has a maxed class DC of 17 based on her dexterity, and she is of average strength, amazingly agile and quick, healthy, well-schooled, has a bit of life experience, and is also quite charismatic and pretty in a noble sort of way. She has a lot of skills to use, with acrobatics and stealth being the highest at +7, 7 others at +5 and the rest at a pretty decent and even useful level. Her saving throws are mixed, though as you might have guessed her reflexes are amazing. She has a well-trained perception, speaks 3 languages, moves with great 30 feet and has decent, though not amazing hit points. She does not use armor since she is very quick to dodge and can either attack with her dagger or, more importantly, with her short bow, which is the way deadlier option, while her trusty companion distracts her enemies. She has the general feat fleet, which is the reason she can move more, natural skill for extra proficiencies, courtly graces to use her society as well to make an impression, can use the hunt prey ability, deals precision damage to her prey once per turn, and also has an animal companion. Her hunt prey ability makes it easier to follow a target and can be switched for an action or stay active until her next daily preparations. The stats for Clenche, her companion, are to be found here as well, and also his advanced maneuver, knockdown, which he cannot use at the moment, and almost all rules when it comes to animal companions and command an animal are also listed for your convenience. She has a pretty standard equipment for a hunting class, though also has a minor healing potion to save herself or her companion from the jaws of death. Also, we bought some rations for Clenche as well, so Dee does not need to get hungry or hunt for food. If you want to level her up authentically, try focusing on her ability to kill targets quickly and keep her companion alive, maybe splashing in a rogue or druid dedication to support this whenever you do not find a useful class feat. Improving her social qualities might also be a cool thing and would be befitting of a noble lady. Brielle's stats and facts are on screen right now, and she is a person who keeps and adheres to local laws, trying to be neutral if possible, though seeing people in need of help will always provoke some good reactions, and the only evil thing she would do are matters of revenge or ensuring the safety of others through drastic measures. She strives to achieve great things for her family name, which is one that you can think of yourself, though she already was married and now, after the death of her husband, through means that you could design for a quest or story, she is looking for her purpose in this world. The noble lady is very fond of her family, friends and companions, and will try to help them in any way she can, though has her limits, since she also knows the laws, power and the bounties of the natural worlds, which she holds in high regard as well. If she is on the prowl, she is laser-focused, being in control of the situation and enjoying every second of it, the thrill and the adrenaline. As a smart person, she usually scouts ahead before running into danger, mostly to be sure that she and her trusty 4-legged friend will stay as safe as possible. The reason for that is simple. Clenche, as her dog is called, was the hunting dog of her deceased husband, one which he cared for since he was a whelp, and she also loves this dog with all her heart. When people meet her for the first time, she can, and most likely will, seem cold and bitter, which stems from the loss of her dear husband, whom she loved from the bottom of his heart, but that also blessed her with a deep and sheer unending source of understanding and respect. Their marriage, which lasted about 18 years, was childless, and she is very sure that she was the reason for that, her body not being able to create life, though that this is one of the, if not the strongest, wishes she has. Being able to have her own children. If you are the kind of group that wants to sign her services and use as contracts, make sure you have a lot of time on your hand, since she has to learn to be very thorough with such things, reading an entire contract 3 complete times before signing. Thank you for sticking with me to the end, and if you like Brielle or just want to help out, leave a like and subscribe for more content and guides. You can also leave a comment of what you think about her or how you would use this strong female character, or build, in your games. Stay safe my friends, and we will see each other somewhere in Galarian. If you are looking for the character sheet pages, here they come.